Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting Node.js tutorial. Today we're diving into the world of global objects in JavaScript and how they differ between the browser and Node.js. Let's get started. So you might have used console.log a million times by now, but did you know that console is actually a global object? That means we can use it anywhere in our code without having to import or declare it. Node.js provides several other global objects. For example, setTimeout allows us to execute a function after a delay like this, 2000 milliseconds. Similarly, we have clearTimeout, setInterval, and clearInterval to control repeating functions. These are available globally, just like in the browser. Now, if you've worked with JavaScript in the browser, you know that we have the window object which represents the global scope. So, when we call console.log, the JavaScript engine actually sees it as window.console.log. All global functions are part of window in the browser, making them accessible anywhere. But in Node.js, things are a little different. We don't have window, instead we have global. So, the equivalent of window.console.log in the browser is global.console.log in Node.js. Here's something interesting. In the browser, if we declare a variable globally, it gets attached to the window object, but in Node.js, variables defined inside a file do not get attached to global. See? The variable message isn't part of global. This is because of Node's module system, which we'll explore in the next lesson. And that's a quick look at global objects in JavaScript. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.